In this photo are my wife Diana and my son Adrian. He is playing with colorful tiles. Is wearing a white t-shirt. Diana is wearing a denim jacket and a dress. In this other photo, I'm with my wife Diana and my son Adrian visiting a museum. We walked around and played a lot. It was fun and we're learning many interesting things. Adrian and I are wearing t-shirt and shorts, and Diana is wearing a dress.